I feel really proud about my school, that I'm studying in such school, because I have gotten experience by it. I went with Bhaiya in one time for a shop, so we both were also there. So we both were talking in English, and that man said that my kid studies in Sadhana school and she doesn't know how to speak like you guys. So I had a very good feeling that yes, I study in a better school from Sadhana. Being a private school, the kids don't speak in English, but being in a government school, we are speaking in English. So I feel really proud that I am in such school. I am particularly interested in student council body because I am the school president and I should be interested, and I love handling them, because I got an example yesterday only that people love me this much that yesterday I asked for one dictionary. People came running behind me by telling, take my dictionary, take my dictionary. So it gave me a really great feeling that yes, I am good in my school. I am famous in my school.
I actually want to become a better human being, because I feel that apart from academics, apart from becoming a doctor, engineer, teacher, being an excellent human being is really important, because then these are what professions, and after some time you might retire, but an excellent human being stays till we are there on this earth. So I would really like to become an excellent human being and help people around me.
I am proud that I have achieved this much of confidence. As I was in 5th and 4th, I was really scared. I needed 2 hours, 4 hours practice before speaking in front of someone. But now you can see me without any practice. You are just asking questions, I am just telling you the answers. So in this year, I have achieved how to speak confidently. My goal is that whatever Didi did this much of hard work, so I should return back something to her. So whatever her vision is for me, for achieving good goals, achieving my RC level, achieving my max level, I would first want to complete what my Didi's vision is for me, and then I would want to follow this value humility, because nowadays people are just keeping like we are there on the earth, we want to see whatever we are doing. They have just forgotten that we have our parents with us, we have friends with us. We are thinking that only we are on the earth, not the other people. So I would want to focus on humility.
As in whenever, it doesn't changes many things, but I feel that whenever I am doing something, my actions are those which don't affect someone in a negative way. Let's say I always keep my goal in my mind that I want to become an excellent human being, and for that I need to do many things, and even I think that if I do something, is it impacting someone in a negative way or in a positive way, and if it is impacting someone in a positive way, then I know that I'm moving really nicely towards my goal.
So first she was like fine. So that time she didn't knew us a lot. That time she was new in her class, so she was new as a teacher also. So she didn't knew what to do. So that's why she was like, fine, I'll do this, I'll do that, I'll teach them this, whatever opportunities was coming, she was giving it to us. But today, in this year, she's not taking the opportunities which are coming, but she's trying to take more and more opportunities from the organization, like JFK. We didn't have the JFK last time, but this time she's trying. She knows that her kids can do excellent. So she's like now telling us that you can do more.
She is giving us the space that we think for ourselves, that what do we need. Is academics the only thing that we should be concentrating, or are there other things as well that we should open up?
If it comes for a great teacher, then I feel a teacher should be like Shweta Didi.
I would like to add one thing, that a great teacher according to me is Shweta Didi, because whenever I see a person like her, if I look how she has done so many things for us, how she has made us believe that we can do many things, being in a government school and competing with those international schools was just a dream for us. And now that we are going for MUNs and we are competing with these kids, so I feel that whatever she has done till now is something that a great teacher can only do. So what we are thinking is, as we want to pick in now professions for ourselves, now we have started thinking that what do we want to become. Whatever value she has taught us, let's say honesty, respect, responsibility, these things we are now thinking to share it out with other classes as well, to share it out with other neighbors that we have around us. Be like what she is being with us, be polite, be humble with these people.
Didi is not telling what is there in the book, but she is also telling us beside the books.
When it was our tournament thing, and like she's not the one who is supposed to look after football. Like we have teachers who will look after football, but we needed coach really urgently at that time, and at that point of time only she called up a coach and she bought, and the next day only the coach came. So I love the way she prioritized things, and I would want her and I would want that habit to be mine.